Every year, 3rd of December is celebrated in the name of persons with various challenges in life. We, the Institute of Jeevan Jyoti, observe this day in a special way, with much compassion and charity for our brothers and sisters who are challenged from some kind of impairments. It is now, more than before, during the COVID-19 pandemic situations, that we need to pay attention to these brothers and sisters who are lonely, put aside, and suffering more than before due to their disabilities. I invite all those who hear my voice to waken up and embrace these isolated brothers and sisters of ours and give them full right to equality in the society.
Jeevan Jyoti's contribution towards persons with disabilities through the Department of Community-Based Rehabilitation. In year 1997, the Jeevan Jyoti Institute started a new branch called Community-Based Rehabilitation through home-based services under the leadership of Sister Irene Gonzalez, the Executive Director of the institution. The program has been engaged in providing services to persons and children with disabilities of the villages of 4 blocks of Varanasi district. The unit focuses on academic, social, emotional, mobility and independent living skills, pre-vocational, vocational training of the persons with disabilities to become active members of the society. Following are the components of this CBR program. Door-to-door survey. During the survey, altogether 5,342 disabled people were identified from age group of 1 month to 70 years. Among the identified disabled persons, they were rehabilitated in agriculture, Sarojgar, home management, petty shops, labours, ADL and socialization. They were helped to become economically self-reliant. Assistance is given in form of goat, petty shops and sewing machines. Chalk making machine were given to the needy disabled person. One of the important services of CBR is to admit the identified children with a disability in the special schools and in inclusive school. In these 10 years of time, 167 disabled children are admitted in the schools. Various camps are arranged to bring services to the marginalized society. Awareness camp. 72 awareness camps were successfully organized in different villages of Varanasi district. During these 10 years, more than 20,500 people participated in these camps. Health camp. Health camps are arranged with the help of doctors, mentors and persons from health department. Parents Guide Counseling Camp. Each year, 7-8 camps are conducted and parents are guided about the rights and facilities. Altogether, 72 camps are conducted to guide the parents. Eye checkup camps. Within this 10 years of span, 44 camps were organized wherein 2,500 children were checked up. Cataract operation. Since 1999, the institute bears the expenses of average 40 eye operations every year. These are done in collaboration with St. Mary's Hospital, Karota, which is run by Diocese of Varanasi. So far, total 626 patients were successfully operated and they have regained their sight. Distribution of useful material for the family like utensils, blankets, bedsheet, clothing, etc. Each year, hundreds of blankets were being distributed in the villages. Marriage Bureau. 8 marriages took place in Jeevan Jyoti over the years for visually impaired persons. Various facilities. Last 10 years, our animators helped 5,548 persons to make their medical certificates, railway concession, bus pass, caste and income certificates, pension, and to get aids and appliances. Celebrating various important days for the persons with disabilities. Time and again, various festivals like Feast of Holi, Christmas, Eid, Diwali are celebrated with children in the special schools as well as the people in the CBR program. Girl Child Day. Jeevan Jyoti organized Girl Child Day in various schools and villages of Varanasi district. World Disabled Day, that is 3rd December. Every year, the connected persons with disabilities from our CBR are invited for this function. Through various activities, disabled persons are motivated to do better in life. Flyers were distributed to the students about the Disability Act. Parents-Teachers Meeting. This program was organized only for the parents of persons with disabilities. Through its various programs, Jeevan Jyoti Institute extends a very good support to poor, needy and especially persons with disabilities and their families.
Good morning, dear friends. Today we are celebrating World Disability Day that has been proudly promoted by the United Nations since 1992. The aim of Disability Day is to encourage a better understanding of people affected by a disability, together helping to make people more aware of the rights, dignity, and the welfare of the people with disability. I am blessed to have a privilege to be a teacher in Jeevan Jyoti Institute, which started in 1975 and has continued setting milestones in every field. We teach in classes where equality is practiced irrespective of caste, creed, religion, color, and physical abilities and disabilities. These are the treasures which I must mention here, that it is the contribution of the institution only. On this important day, I would like to wish everyone with this inspiring quote of Helen Keller: "The most pathetic person in the world is someone who has sight but has no vision." Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mani Gautam. I'm a student of class 12 and I'm delighted to have this opportunity to share my experience of 7 years with special students. Truly speaking, being with them, studying with them, talking to them and befriending them had been a wonderful experience for me. It has had a very great impact on my own life. They have taught me to be happy and confident no matter in what present situation I am in. While being with them, I learned that we should be grateful to what we have and we should never lose hope.
विकलांग जन भी समाज के ही एक अंग हैं। शरीर के किसी न किसी अंग के अक्षम हो जाने के कारण समाज उन्हें विकलांग कहता है एवं उनकी उपेक्षा करता है। इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए पूरे विश्व में 3 दिसंबर को विश्व विकलांग दिवस मनाया जाता है।
My dear sisters, staff and children, on this occasion of the International Day of the Differently Abled Persons, I wish each one of you a happy and a graceful day. On this day, we renew our faith that each one of us is created in God's image and likeness. Each gesture of love that is done to the least of our brothers and sisters is done to God. It's a time to conscientize that the disability is not a barrier, nor does it make a person less human. Every year, Jeevan Jyoti Institute for the Disabled organizes the program to encourage the person with disability and to celebrate the day with great dedication and love. Not only today, but throughout the year, they motivate, empower, and take care of the education and rehabilitation of the differently abled persons, thus improve the quality of life, give dignity, and promote them to be on the mainstreaming of the society. I appreciate the hard work, commitment, and enthusiasm of the entire faculty, especially Sister Irene, Sister Anupa, Sister Shweta, and all the sisters, teachers, and staff. God bless your every effort. आप सभी को पुनः दिव्यांग दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Today, on the International Day, celebrated in the name of persons struck by various kinds of challenges through their physical and mental disabilities, we are invited to march together to build back a better world, which is a need of the hour for people suffering from dreadful situations created by COVID-19 pandemic. This present situation has badly hit people with disabilities more than the others. The lower economy, the separation from one another, the greater fear of virus affecting their ill bodies, and the lack of medical assistance has affected the persons with disabilities. Thus, they are much more cornered now than before. COVID-19 has added more bigger number of newer disabilities through its disastrous suffering to the people around us. More and more people are experiencing depression, harassment, brokenness, illness, and deep sorrows from the untimely deaths of their dear ones. Many more thousands have become disabled in many various ways. All these are inviting us to a greater solidarity and fraternity with those who are affected by all kinds of disabilities. Therefore, Pope Francis, our Param Guru, invites us to put aside all differences and discriminating attitudes and draw nearer to those in affliction and under the burden of disabilities. They are all our brothers and sisters. I wish every one of us, every one of you, a better world.
At the end of this celebration on International Day of the Disabled, I am looking around and seeing all the faces happy, filled with joy, just because we have exchanged love and friendship with the poor and the handicapped who were our guests today. In this exchange of friendship, today, we all of us have forgotten the inhibition and going out of them. We received love from them. We gave them something, and return they gave us affection. In this process of give and receive, the whole campus of Jeevan Jyoti filled with happiness and joy. My message to every one of you that this joy is available for every one of us in this world. You give your love to the poor and handicapped, and in return you will enjoy eternal joy and you will be filled with joy. आज मैं सबको आह्वान करती हूँ, अपने पास पड़ोस के गरीबों का ध्यान रखेंगे, उनका सम्मान करेंगे, उनको साथ देंगे। पिता परमेश्वर हमें आनंद से भर देंगे, समृद्धि से भर देंगे और उनके प्रेम के भागीदारी बनेंगे, क्योंकि ईसा मसीह ने कहा है, तुमने जो कुछ मेरे इन छोटे से छोटे भाइयों में से किसी एक के साथ किया वह मेरे साथ ही किया। पुनः एक बार आप सभी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।